YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have a wig unit sent from UNiceHair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So I want to start with the packaging. As I mentioned in the previous video, from UNiceHair, they have been updating their packaging, and I think it looks really nice, you guys. I love the color. It's just really sleek and modern, and I just really like it. So it came with the wig cap and also this informational card. It also came with a robe, you guys, that I did not show on camera, but you guys are definitely familiar. I'm sure you've seen the UNiceHair robe, some eyelashes, and a wig band. And I'm going to show you guys the inside of the cap construction. So this is the wig. I did go and define my curls off of camera, you guys. I always do that. All I did was use some water, and this is what the texture looks like. So what I'm showing is not straight out of the box. I tried to not get the baby hairs wet, so just keep that in mind once I go and plop this wig on my head. Why the baby hairs look like they're not like perfect, it's because I kind of got them wet a little bit, and there are spritz them loose down from the company. So yeah. Also, I want to mention that this wig unit is very, very, very brown. It's not 1B to me. It was very much giving 2. So I don't know if this is a color 2 wig or this is just the color of their 1B hair. But when I got this out of the package, I remember saying, did they send me a number 2 wig or like a chocolate brown wig? I don't know, but it was really brown, you guys. So let's just jump into the specs of this wig unit, as I am putting my wig unit on and also inserting my combs on the side. So this is a 24-inch curly texture wig unit in 180% density. And this is also a 7x5 closure wig unit, you guys. So it may seem as it's a frontal, but it's not. It is a closure. So they are promoting this wig as a bye-bye knots wig unit. I have reviewed these types of wigs before. So basically, this wig unit comes pre-plucked, pre-cut lace, pre-bleach. It also has pre-cut baby hairs, you guys. It's all just pre. So basically, they're just making this wig as simple as possible. I have reviewed a lot of these wigs at this point. I believe that this is my very last wig of this sort for this year, and I'm going to give them a break because I feel like I've been reviewing them back to back, you guys. I do not plan on reviewing any more of these types of wigs. I am more of like a adhesive girl when it comes to my wig units, and very much overload. But basically, as I stated before with these wigs, is that you're going to pretty much still have to do some work to the wig unit. I'm not going to say that it's completely done for you, but it's pretty much like 85% done for you. You would definitely have to, make this wig your own, and because everybody has their own face structures and face shapes and stuff like that. So you may have to take away some of your baby hairs, or you may curl them, or you may pluck the lace, the hairline some more. So you just have to play around with the wig unit. However, do I think that you can put this on straight out of the box? Absolutely not. You have to definitely activate the curls and things of that such. So you guys would basically see me put this wig unit on. It is 100% glueless, you guys. I did not use any spray or any glue for this wig video. And also at the end, I am showing you guys more parting, and also I'm showing you guys where the lace hits on my hairline, because again, this is a 7x5 lace closure wig unit, and you guys will see all of that stuff at the end. So make sure you guys stay tuned and all the way to the end. But I would love to know what you guys think of these bye-bye knots wig units, or these pre-done for you wigs. Do you guys like the price points? Do you guys like the idea? Do you think that they're useful? I definitely think that they're useful for the girls who do not care for frontals. Like this glue, this maintenance of this frontal, all that type of stuff. I don't have time, girls. This wig is very much useful for you. Absolutely. However, my preference, I love to glue my wigs down, and I love frontals. I prefer frontals over closures, and I prefer glue over glueless. However, as of lately, I have been wearing this wig unit, you guys, and it hasn't been giving me any problems, and I have been wearing it glueless. So as I'm getting up and going and doing my shopping and for the holidays and stuff like that, I've been putting this wig on and it's been giving me no problems. So, it comes in handy, you guys. It comes in handy. I would definitely say that. So, you know, if you have a wig collection, you need a really good glueless wig unit, I would definitely look into the Bye Bye Knots one, because the knots are bleached and they look really good as well. So let me know what you guys think. I just would love to know you guys' thoughts on this type of wig unit. But for now, this will probably be the last one. If you guys want to see other textures and things of that such, make sure you guys go on my channel and watch other Unice hair reviews, because I think all of this year I have reviewed nothing but glueless wigs from Unice. And yeah, so that's it. That's all that I have for you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
This ain't what you used to, I require